Hi guys, Tracy here with Coco Con Essential Oils again. Today I want to talk to you about essential oils for sleep. I know probably a lot of us, I know a lot of people have trouble sleeping as it is, and with everything going on and all the extra stress and anxiety of not knowing what's going to happen tomorrow, I would imagine sleep is evading a lot more of us these days. So anyways, first I want to talk to you about, there are a lot of oils that can help us sleep. And I thought I would talk to you about each of those individually to start off with. So first we have red mandarin, sandalwood, sweet marjoram, lemon verbena, and frankincense. All of those are excellent sleep oils. You can put 1 drop in your bed sheets, or you can use them in a diffuser. In the bedroom, usually our bedrooms are smaller than, obviously our living room area spaces. You don't always need as powerful of a diffuser. You can do even just a little fan diffuser, or they're very quiet, so they're not going to keep you awake from a noise standpoint. But these, you can put 10 drops of any oil on one of the cotton pads. They run on batteries, or they come with a USB cord. Put the pad in the drawer, and then set it on your nightstand, and then the oils are wafting over to you while you're sleeping all night. So not only do they help you fall asleep, but they'll help you stay asleep if you continue to breathe them in throughout the night. So that's one option. And then over here we have our sleep blend. It's called Dreamtime, and it has lavender, Roman chamomile, ylang ylang, and patchouli essential oils. The ylang ylang and the patchouli are very deep oils, so they help you to have a deeper, more restful sleep. And with the Dreamtime, or with any combination of any oils that you like, it's fun to mix and match your own. Keep that in mind. Outside of using the little diffuser on your nightstand, there's these diffusers that mist and cover like 400 square feet that you can put on your nightstand or on your dresser across the room. Another way you can use the oils for sleep is 1 drop. Just 1 is all you need in your bed sheets, and you put it under your pillow, below the pillow, somewhere where your skin isn't going to lay on it, but it's close to you and you're breathing it in all night. And a third way that you can use essential oils is topically. But to use them topically, you need to dilute them. So I like to use jojoba oil for sleep chest rubs. You can put just 10 drops of any single essential oil, combination of oils totaling 10 drops, or an essential oil blend like Dreamtime. You just put a total of 10 drops in 1 ounce of jojoba oil. Another great thing that you can do with that is add like a teaspoon or 2 to your bath. Take a warm bath. The heat from the bath takes it up a whole nother notch. So you've got your oils relaxing you and getting you ready, calming you down for sleep, and then you got the heat from the bathtub too. Plus it's opening your pores, so the oils get penetrated deeper into the skin that way. So I love to take a bath with essential oils. And then just as a convenience here, we have our Dreamtime essential oil blend in a massage bath and body oil form. So you can use this already made up as a chest rub, or use it in your bathtub as well. So I hope that gives you guys some ideas on how to use essential oils for sleep. Maybe you have some of these in your cupboard. You can get fun, have fun starting to mix and match, make your own blends. Yeah, so that's it for today. I will see you guys tomorrow for another fun essential oil video. Thanks for watching.